Is the iPhone getting Apple Pencil support? Well, a leak may have just confirmed it. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my brand new tech videos when they're released. Okay guys, ever since the release of the original Apple Pencil on September 9th, 2015, we've heard a lot of rumors about the Apple Pencil support coming to the iPhones, but as you know, nothing has panned out until today. A case manufacturer named Olixar, and I'm probably killing their name, but they listed an iPhone 11 Pro case with an Apple Pencil sleeve on a UK retailer Mobile Funds website. I'll put a link in the description below. The summary reads, crafted from premium genuine leather, this exquisite black case from Olixar for the iPhone 11 Pro provides stunning style and prestigious protection for the phone in a slim and sleek package, with the added convenience of an Apple Pencil sleeve. The overview has a bullet point stating Apple Pencil sleeve, and the description states Apple Pencil sleeve, and then it says, featuring a built-in sleeve for the Apple Pencil, this genuine leather case keeps the iPhone safe and secure for when you need it the most. Now this hasn't been confirmed, so take all these rumors with a grain of salt, and please wait till the new iPhone and its features are announced by Apple. But wouldn't it be awesome if the iPhone had Apple Pencil support? I for one am on board with the iPhone having Apple Pencil support. I can go around and do some note taking and maybe some light day-to-day tasks. I'm waiting to see what special features the pen will have. Will I be able to double tap it and pull up the eraser like on the iPad Pro? Will I be able to use it as a remote for my selfie camera? Will we be able to, launch specific apps? And maybe even use it as a presenter tool for a keynote? Now, would I use the iPhone and Apple Pencil all the time? Probably not. I have an iPad and an Apple Pencil, and that will probably do all the heavy lifting. Like, editing this video for you guys. My final opinion on this is, Apple, make this happen. Okay guys, time for the question of the day. Do you think the iPhone should have Apple Pencil support? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Before I go, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll see you in the next one.